Have you ever found yourself pondering why some individuals seem to manifest their desires with ease, while others grapple with it? Is it possible that the law of action is the crucial missing in your manifestation journey? Today, we probe the depths of the law of action. This law, often eclipsed in the 12 spiritual guidelines, serves as a beacon of importance for those who lean towards logic. It's not a free ticket to a passive journey of wishful thinking. Rather, it's a rallying cry, a demand for deliberate effort and initiative aimed at bringing our aspirations to fruition. It advocates for the notion of co-creating with the universe. When we convert our thoughts into tangible actions, we are signaling our readiness, our dedication, and our faith in our potential. However, the process of manifestation is not a sprint, but a long-distance run. It's a journey that calls for patience and persistence, where setbacks are viewed as stepping stones, not obstacles. The notion of immediate satisfaction is a myth that needs to be dismantled. The act of manifestation is not a passive endeavor, but an active process of co-creation with the universe. Do you realize the power of your emotions in shaping your actions and ultimately your reality? Our emotions hold a profound influence over our actions, serving as the internal compass that guides us. They are the unseen forces that mold our decisions, dictating the course we choose to follow. Consider the emotions of joy, love, and excitement. These positive emotions act as the fuel that propels us forward, igniting the spark of action within us. They open us up to the myriad of opportunities the universe presents, enabling us to seize them with vigor and zest. Now let's talk about emotions like fear, anger, and sadness. These negative emotions, while often seen as hindrances, can be valuable teachers. They alert us to potential threats, protect us from harm, and provide valuable insights into our deepest desires. However, when allowed to run rampant, these emotions can stifle our progress, creating barriers between us and our goals. That's why emotional awareness is crucial. It's about recognizing and understanding our emotional states, about distinguishing between the emotions that spur us into action and those that hold us back. It's about choosing to feed the positive emotions that drive us towards our dreams and learning from, rather than being controlled by, the negative emotions. Being in tune with our emotions allows us to act in alignment with our highest intentions. It empowers us to make decisions that resonate with our core values and desires. We become the master of our emotions rather than being at their mercy. Remember, emotions are like waves. They ebb and flow, come and go. We can't control the waves, but we can learn to surf. We can harness the power of our emotions to navigate the turbulent waters of life with grace and agility. So the next time you feel a surge of emotion, take a moment to understand it. Acknowledge its presence, discern its message, and then decide how you want to respond. Harnessing the power of your emotions can significantly enhance your manifestation journey. Because at the end of the day, our emotions are not just feelings. They are the catalysts for action, the drivers of change, and the architects of our reality. So how can we leverage the law of action to manifest our deepest desires? Well, it starts with understanding that the journey of manifestation is not a giant leap, but a series of small, consistent steps. Imagine you're at the base of a mountain. Your dream, your goal is at the peak. You can't teleport to the top, you have to climb one step at a time. Firstly, identify your desired outcome. What is it that you truly want? The clearer your vision, the more tangible your goal becomes. Write it down, visualize it, feel it in your bones. Next, break down your goal into manageable steps. If you're aiming for a new job, for instance, start with updating your resume, then move on to researching potential employers, and finally, apply. Each step is a small victory, a testament to your commitment. Meanwhile, ensure to maintain a consistent effort. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of a new goal, only to lose steam halfway. The law of action begs you to persist. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Progress may be slow, but every step you take gets you closer to your goal. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the passive approach promoted by some proponents of manifestation. They'd have you believe that you can sit back, wish upon a star, and wait for your dreams to fall into your lap. But the law of action begs to differ. There's no room for passivity here. In the world of manifestation, there's a term called energetic exchange. It means that you can't expect to receive something without giving something in return. In this case, what you're giving is your effort, your commitment, your action. So when you're striving for your dreams, don't just dream. Act. Don't just wish. Do. Don't just hope. Be. Embody the qualities and behaviors associated with your desired outcome. Act as if you're already there, and soon enough you will be. True manifestation requires an energetic exchange, a commitment symbolized through purposeful action. Are you ready to demonstrate your unwavering resolve towards your aspirations? The law of action serves as a mirror, reflecting our dedication and sincerity towards our dreams. It isn't a mere principle to be understood intellectually, but a challenge to be embraced wholeheartedly. It demands that we transcend the comfort zone of complacency and take the reins of our destiny. This law implores us to embody the qualities and behaviors associated with our desired outcomes. If you seek courage, be brave. If you yearn for love, be loving. If you desire success, be diligent. It's all about living your truth, not tomorrow, not someday, but right here, right now. Remember, our actions are the loudest testament of our commitment. They're the seeds we plant in the fertile soil of the universe, ready to blossom into the reality we yearn for. So step forward, even if the path is unknown. Manifestation, at its core, is a journey of personal growth and self-realization, where every step taken brings you closer to your dreams. In essence, what have we discovered about the law of action and its role in manifestation? Well, we've uncovered that it's far from being a passive bystander among the 12 spiritual guidelines. It's a driving force, urging us to step out of our comfort zones, embrace discomfort, and take tangible steps towards realizing our dreams. This law is not just about idle wishing, but about proactive engagement, about translating thoughts into action. It tells us that the universe is our co-creator, ready to reciprocate our efforts, but we must first show our commitment and belief in our own potential. We've also learned that our emotions play a pivotal role in our journey. Positive emotions can catalyze action, while negative ones may stall progress. Cultivating emotional awareness, therefore, is key. And finally, we've realized that the journey of manifestation is a gradual process, requiring patience, resilience, and consistent effort. Remember, your dreams are within reach. All you need to do is take action.